Hello everybody, welcome back. Just a short video today. I've got a water pump now for my stream project, which I'm going to start building next spring. And I've been doing a little bit of testing out in the garden to get an idea of the water flow, what kind of lift height the pump can achieve. I'm losing my voice a little bit because I've got a cold, so the rest of the video is just going to be some captions over the top of the test videos. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Bye.